Good morning students, welcome to our part 3rd of the poem Rebel. This is the grammar section beta. I, Shweta Somra, am your English teacher and today we will discuss this grammar part of the poem Rebel. So let's get started with the grammar part. We are reading about genders today, okay? Gender क्या होते हैं बेटा? There are 4 types of genders. First one is masculine gender. First one is masculine, means males, okay? When we talk about some males, yeah, purush, that is a masculine gender. Second one is feminine gender. Feminine means females, okay? Females or स्त्री. Third one is common gender. Common gender में बेटा स्त्री और पुरुष डिफाइन नहीं होता, it can be any of them, okay? Combinedly हम उनको common gender बोलते हैं. Fourth one is neuter gender. The fourth one is neuter, having no gender, okay? No gender is defined for this one. Now let's take further examples first. Masculine gender, example is boy, father, king, uncle, horse, etc. etc. Anything which is male, okay? कोई भी पुरुष या masculine जो होता है that is called masculine gender. So now you all can read these words. ये सब क्या है बेटा? Male category में belong करते हैं, है ना? We don't say boy जा रही थी, नहीं ना, boy जा रहा था. This we use for males. Now in feminine genders, just have a look about the examples. Girl, mother, queen, aunt, mayor. लड़कियाँ, ladies, mamas, grandmothers, okay, all sorts of feminine genders. Now common gender examples are student. Student में बेटा males भी हैं, females भी है. Common है ना? It's not defined कि आप सिर्फ मेल्स की बात कर रहे हो या सिर्फ फीमेल्स की बात कर रहे हो. Common means both the males and females are there, okay? And it's not exactly defined. Friend, a friend can be a boy or a girl. He can be or she can be, ठीक है? Doctor also can be he or she. Baby, he or she. Child, teacher, elephant. So this is also very easy. You just have to read it once and have a thought about it. ठीक है बेटा? Then comes the neuter gender. Example for the neuter gender is house, chair, table, book, garden. They are not having a he or she in them. इसमें कोई gender decide नहीं है. That is why it's a neuter gender. Okay? So we'll just recall how many types of genders are there. Masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Alright? Masculine is related to males, feminine related to females, common gender in which both comes and neuter gender having no genders. Okay? उसको कोई gender defined नहीं है. Now let's see the masculine and feminine genders. ठीक है? स्त्रीलिंग और पुल्लिंग शब्द हम देख रहे हैं. Okay? See the first one. First one is brother. This is masculine. What will be the feminine? Sister. Father, mother. Son, daughter. Uncle, aunt. Husband, wife. King, queen. Sir, ma'am. Gentleman, lady. Papa, mama. Aren't they easy? I know they are very easy, but you have to just look around. Masculine and feminine, again we are practicing some more of them. Daddy, mummy. Man, woman. Monk, nun. Monk क्या होते हैं बेटा? बौद्ध भिक्षु. Okay? And nuns जो उनमें जो females होती हैं वो. Nephew, niece. Wizard, witch. Witch तो पता है चुड़ैल. Wizard भी जादूगरी होता है but he is a male. Hero, heroine. Horse, mare. Bull, cow. Dog, bitch. Fox, vixen. So you all have to read these words. Mostly, many of them must be knowing all. But just to give it a revision, we'll just have a look at them once more. Actor, actress, ambassador, ambassadress, conductor, conductress, director, directress, inspector, inspectress, tiger, tigress, hunter, huntress, traitor, traitress. Okay, so here we are changing the genders by removing this vowel. Okay, ये OR हटा के लास्ट जो vowel है वो हटा के हम क्या कर रहे हैं, ESS ऐड कर रहे हैं. All right, you are removing the last vowel and you are adding ESS. इन सब में देखो बेटा, O is vowel, no? A, E, I, O, U, everybody know it's a vowel. 5 vowels are there. So OR is removed in here. E is also an vowel. Here E is also a vowel. E and again O. So what are vowels? A, E, I, O and U. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. अब इसमें O भी है और E भी है. O and E. These both are removed and what is being added? ESS is added to them. Then it becomes the feminine gender. Okay. So these are some different types of words. Masculine gender, feminine gender again. Lion, lioness. Now we don't change any of the name but we just add ESS to them and it becomes the feminine gender. Prince, princess. Giant, giantess. Heir, heiress. Host, hostess. Poet, poetess. Priest, priestess. Author, authoress. ठीक है? You all have to read these words as well. Now, emperor, empress. Master, mistress. Mr, Mrs. God, goddess. Everyone is getting the words. So do practice these words and write them in your notebooks. We will meet in our next class with a new session. Until then, keep studying. Have a good day, beta.